Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focusing on the euro to the US dollar and the pound to the US dollar. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the day, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just some feeling logic at the economic calendar, and I've just filtered out, just want to look at the high items for the coming week. And I'm reviewing today the euro dollar and the pound US dollar, and just want to know which news items can impact those pairs throughout the week. So today we have the German ZEW economic sentiment index coming out. That could impact the euro US dollar. Into Thursday, the big one is the US FOMC meeting minutes. That could impact both pairs. Later on that day, the German balance of trade, that could impact the euro US dollar. And into Friday we have the UK balance of trade, so that could affect the pound US dollar. So just be aware of those items. Okay, let's get into the charts. First up, I'm going to review the euro US dollar before the pound US dollar. Both pairs look fairly similar, that's why I want to review them together. So this is the weekly chart of the euro US dollar, and I've been discussing this double top that's come into form, and we've had a 5-week decline, and I'm just expecting a bit of a bounce maybe before further decline. So we've got long-term support at the moment at 117.04. That's been my long-term target for this pattern at the moment, and we have resistance here at 119.52. MACD's clearly down. Now, just in terms of a target for this pattern, if it keeps running down, yes, we could target support here at 117.04, but we could target the height of the pattern projected below, and that comes in at around about 111.65, which I know is miles away, but that could be a very good long-term target. So getting short at some point and looking for a long-term target if this pattern continues to run out. Okay, alright, let's move down to the daily, and I want to put in support and resistance for the daily. So currently daily support is at 118.47, where we're having a bit of a bounce at the moment. Had a rally on Friday when the US job figures came out and bouncing at that level. And daily resistance would be up here. That's at 19742. Alright. So we're stuck between support here and resistance up here. I'm just expecting that price might move up here in the short term. So up here would be a great area to look for an opportunity to sell. If we move it down to the 4-hour chart, just draw a fib across this range, then with this resistance up here, we've got the 79% fib level here. That is at 119.39. So if we get up to that level or into the resistance, that would be a great area to watch for an opportunity to sell. So I'll just highlight that area in there. Anywhere up there, I'm going to be watching for an opportunity to sell. If we can see some weakness, I'm going to look for an opportunity to sell, and then obviously wait for the next decline to occur. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on the euro dollar. I'll rally back up to resistance and look for an opportunity to sell. Now, if we move to the pound dollar, things look relatively similar. We've got the double top up here, long-term target for that pattern at the moment. We've had a 5-week decline as well. Is the height of the pattern projected below. This is the 200% marker down here. That's at 131. Okay, I've reviewed this before and discussed that target. So that being said, I've got weekly resistance up here at the 1,409 level, and currently bouncing on support here at the 138 level. Okay, And again, I'm expecting, like on the Euro US dollar, a bit of a rally maybe at the moment. Moving down to the daily, just putting in daily support. There's a level here at 137.86. And resistance, which is close to weekly resistance up here at 1,401. Pretty much the figure level. Alright, so from Friday's job figures, we're having a bounce down on day support here at 137.86, and like the Euro US dollar, I'm expecting this might come up to resistance and give a good opportunity to sell. Move it down to the 4-hour chart, and I'm just drawing a fib across this range like I did on the Euro US dollar, and I'm going to highlight really the same area, my resistance area down to the 79% fib level, and I'm watching this area for an opportunity to sell if we can get up to that level. So the 79% fib comes in about 139.43. So if we can get up to that level, or even up to the 1,400 level again, I'm going to be watching it carefully for an opportunity to sell. Okay, back in line with the day chart trend. Okay, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.